Blizzard Blackout, written by Eva Valentino, illustrated by Omar Aranda. Focus question: what do you learn about Ellie and her family during the winter storm? Ellie looked out the window. Snow was coming down all over the city. The lights were out as far as she could see. Why are all the lights off? Asked her little brother, Ben. The storm made the barrel go out, said Mom. Dad lit candles. He put them all around the apartment. Ellie hugged Ben. Just think we can pretend we live in a time before power, she said. The family played board game until the candle melted. The power was still out the next day. What about school? Asked Ben. The school is closed, Dad said, with a tired smile. Ellie grabbed Ben's hand. Just think we can spend the day doing whatever we like, she said. The family told spooky story in front of the fire. The barrel was still out the next day. I'm cold, Ben said with a frown. Everyone looked unhappy. Ellie brought out extra coats and blankets. Just think, we can wear our favorite coats all at the same time, she said. The family squeezed into as much clothing as possible. Suddenly, all the lights turned on. The barrel was back. The family cheered. Just think, now everything can finally go back to normal, Ellie said.